गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે પ્રોબેબિલિટી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન એનો ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટ મેથેમેટિકલ એક્સપેક્ટેશન કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલું હતું। નાઉ સેકન્ડ પાર્ટ બાયનોમિયલ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન। સૌથી પહેલા તો બાયનોમિયલ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન એનું આપણે ઇક્વેશન જોશું। પ્રોબેબિલિટી ફંક્શન ઓફ બાયનોમિયલ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન P of x is equal to NCx P raised to x Q raised to n minus x, where P of x is equal to probability, n is equal to total trial, x is equal to number of successful trial, P is equal to probability of success, Q is equal to probability of unsuccess. Where P is equal to 1 minus Q and Q is equal to 1 minus P. If P and Q are equal, that is P is equal to Q is equal to 1 by 2, then use following function. P of x is equal to NCx P raised to n. જ્યારે P અને Q આપેલા હોય ત્યારે આપણે સેકન્ડ ફંક્શનનો યુઝ કરશું. Now some notes. At least means equal or more. At least એટલે શું થાય? ઓછામાં ઓછું. ઓછામાં ઓછું એટલે કે એના જેટલું અથવા તો એનાથી વધારે. At most means equal or less. At most એટલે વધુમાં વધુ. એનો મીનિંગ શું થાય? એના કરતાં એના જેટલું અથવા તો એનાથી ઓછું. Equal or less. Total of probability is always equal to 1. Probability નો total હંમેશા 1 જેટલો જ થાય. એ આપણે જોયું હતું મેથેમેટિકલ એક્સપ્રેશન. Now first example, 5 fair coin are tossed simultaneously. Find following probability. 5 fair coin. So n is equal to 5. P is equal to આપણે assume કરશી head. કોઈન ટોસ કરીએ, હેડ આવે એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી થશે 1 by. Q is equal to આપણે assume કરશું tail. So tail આવે એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી પણ 1 by 2. Probability function P of x, here P and Q are equal, so NCx P raised to. First question, 2 heads. So x is equal to 2. Probability of success, x, number of success, x is equal to 2. P of x is equal to 2 is equal to n. N means 5. X is equal to 2. 5c2. P 1 by 2 raised to n 5. 5c2 10. 1 by 2 raised to 5 32. 10 by 32. 5 by 16. This is your first answer. Second, at most 2 head. At most 2 heads. At most 2. વધુમાં વધુ 2 કે 2 કે તેથી ઓછા. X is equal to 2 or less. That means P of 2 or P of 1 or P of 0. So we have already P of 2. Now find P of 1 and P of 0. So P of 1, 5c1 1 by 2 raised to 5. P of 5c1 5 1 by 32 5 by 32. P of 0 5c0 1 by 2 raised to 5 5c0 1 1 by 32 1 by 32. So P of 2 is equal to 10 by 32 plus P of 1 5 by 32 plus P of 0 1 by 32. So 16 by 32 1 by 2. Next, at least 2 head. At least 2 heads. At least 2. So x is equal to 2 or more. That is P of 2 plus P of 3 plus P of 4 plus P of 5. એનાથી બેટર ટોટલ ઓફ પ્રોબેબિલિટી ઇઝ 1. આના સિવાયના એમાંથી આપણે માઇનસ કરી નાખશું. P of 0 plus P of 1. 1 minus. We already find P of 0, that is 1 by 32, and P of 1, that is 5 by 32. So 1 by 6 by 32. 32 minus 6 by 32, 26 by 32. So 13 by 16. This is your third answer. 13 by 16. Last, 2 or 3 head. 2 or 3 head. So x is equal to 2 or 3. We already have 2, but we have to find out 3. Or means plus. So P of 3 is equal to 5c3 1 by 2 raised to 5. 5c3 is 10 1 by 32. 10 by 32. P of 2 is equal to 10 by 32. P of 3 is also equal to 10 by 32. 20 by 32. 5 4s are 20. 8 4s are 32. 8 5 by 8. This is your fourth answer. Next, example number 2. One paid coin is tossed 6 times. Find probability of getting 4 or more head. 6 times, so n is equal to 6. P is equal to head assume करसु. Any probability 1 by 2. So Q is equal to also 1 by 2. આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના છે 4 or more head. 4 or more head. So 4 or more, that is P of 4 plus P of 5 plus P of 6. Probability function P of x is equal to NCX. P અને Q બે સરખા છે એટલે P raised to n. P of 4 6c4 1 by 2 raised to 6. 6c4 फाइंड करो કે 6c2 फाइंड करो, both are equal. 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 2, 15. 2 raised to 6, that is 64. 1 by 64. 15 by 64. P of 5 6c5 1 by 2 raised to 6. 6c5 6 1 by 64. 6 by 64. P of 6 6c6 1 by 2 raised to 6. 6c6 1 1 by 64. So 1 by 64. 15 by 64. 6 by 64. 1 by 64. Take 64 as a LCM. 15 plus 6 plus 1. 22 by 64. So 11 by 32. 32. This is your answer, 11 by 32. Next, example number 3. If n is equal to 5, p is equal to 0.5, find following probability. Here n is equal to 5, p is equal to 0.5, so q is also equal to 0.5. So probability function p of x is equal to ncx p raised to n. First question, p of 0 greater than or equal to x greater than 2. That means p of equal to છે એટલે 0 કન્સિડર થશે. 1 2 એની આગળ ઇક્વલ ટુ નથી એટલે 2 કન્સિડર નહીં થાય. એની આપણે વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની, 0 પ્લસ 1. સો p of 0 is equal to 5c0, 0.5 raised to 5. 5c0 1, 0.5 raised to 5. 0.03125. 0.03125. p of 1 5c1 0.5 raised to 5. 5c1 5, 0.03125 multiplied by 5. 0.15625. બેનો ટોટલ 0.03125 plus 0.15625. 0.1875. This is your first answer. Second, p of x less than or equal to 2. p of x less than or equal to 2. That means p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2. 0 plus 1 એનો આન્સર આપણી પાસે છે already. Now we have to find out p of 2. So p of 2 is equal to 5c2, 0.5 raised to 5. 5c2 10, 0.03125, so 0.3125. બેનો ટોટલ આપણી પાસે ઓલરેડી છે 0.1875 plus 0.3125. That is 0.5. This is your second answer, 0.5. Third, p of x less than 4. p of x less than 4. Less than or equal to નથી એટલે p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3. 4 કન્સિડર નહીં થાય કારણ કે નીચે ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ ની સાઇન નથી. ત્રણેયનો ટોટલ આપણી પાસે ઓલરેડી છે. નાવ આપણે p of 3 ફાઇન્ડ કરવા પડશે. p of 3 5c3 0.5 raised to 5. 5c3 10, 0.03125. 0.3125. ત્રણેયનો ટોટલ 0.5 પ્લસ p of 3 0.3125. 0.8125. This is your third answer. Fourth, p of 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. p of 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. That means p of 2 plus p of 3 plus p of 4. 2 અને 3 નો આન્સર આપણી પાસે છે. p of 4 આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવા પડશે. p of 4 is equal to 5c4 0.5 raised to 5. 5c4 5.31, sorry, 0.03125. So is equal to 0.15625. p of 2 is equal to 0.3125, 3.3125 and 4.15625. 0.3125 plus 0.3125 plus 1.15625, 0.78125. This is your fourth answer. Now fifth, P of x greater than or equal to 3. P of x greater than or equal to 3. That means P of 3 plus P of 4 plus P of 5. Now we have to find out P of 5. 5C5 0.5 raised to 5. 5C51 0.03125. So 0.03125. P of 3 0.3125, 4 0.15625, 5 0.03125. 0.3125 plus 0.15625 plus 0.03125, that is 0.5. This is your fifth answer. And last, sixth, P of x is equal to 3. જે આપણી પાસે ઓલરેડી છે 0.3125. This is your sixth answer. Next, example number 4. A die is tossed 4 times. A number on die is 4 or more, called success. Then find probability of 3 success, at most 2 success. There are 4 times, so n is equal to 4, p is equal to success, that is 4 or more, that is either 4 or 5 or 6. 4 આવે એની probability 1/6, 5 આવે એની 1/6, 6 આવે એની 1/6, 3/6 એટલે 1/2. So q is equal to also 1/2. P and Q are equal. So probability function P of x is equal to NCX P raised to n. First answer 3 success. P of x is equal to 3. 4C3. 1/2 raised to 4. 4C3 4. 1/2 2 raised to 4. 16. 4/16, that is 1/4. This is your first answer. Second question, at most 2 success. At most 2 success. વધુમાં વધુ 2, એટલે કે 2 કે તેથી ઓછા, 2 or less, એટલે કે P of 2 plus P of 1 plus P of 0. Or else 1 minus P of 3 plus P of 4. આપણી પાસે 3 ઓલરેડી છે, P of 4 ફાઇન્ડ કરી લઈએ. 4C4 1/2 raised to 4. 4C4 1, 1/2 raised to 4, 1/16. So 1/16. 1 minus 4/16 plus 1/16. 1 minus 5/16 is equal to 16 minus 5/16, 11/16. This is your second answer, 11/16. 16 minus 5, 11/16. Okay.